What is the value of each angle of a regular hexagon? A. 120, B. 135, C. 720, D. 108. The correct answer is 120. Find angle BDC shown in the figure below. A. 30, B. 65, C. 60, D. 45. The correct answer is 45. If you are given only a compass and a ruler, which angle is not possible to construct? A. 37.5, B. 33.75, C. 40, D. 120. The correct answer is 40. Which geometric principle is used to justify the construction below? A. A line perpendicular to one of two parallel lines is perpendicular to the other. B. Two lines are perpendicular if they intersect to form congruent adjacent angles. C. When two lines are intersected by a transversal and alternate interior angles are congruent, the lines are parallel. D. When two lines are intersected by a transversal and the corresponding angles are congruent, the lines are parallel. The correct answer is when two lines are intersected by a transversal and the corresponding angles are congruent, the lines are parallel. Which of the property given below is false regarding a square? A. A square is a particular case of a rectangle and a rhombus simultaneously. B. A square is a parallelogram with right angles and equal sides. C. The diagonals of a square cut at 90 degrees. D. A square is a particular case of a rectangle only. The correct answer is a square is a particular case of a rectangle only. If X is a point on AB and AX BX is between A and B, then AB AX XB BAB XB CAB XA DAX XB. The correct answer is AX XB. Which of the following is not a line segment? A. Bamboo, B. Ruler, C. Laser beam, D. Pencil. The correct answer is laser beam. N number of circles are formed with a common center. What is that geometry called? A. Inscribed circle, B. Sphere, C. Circumscribed circle, D. Concentric circle. The correct answer is concentric circle. What must you be given to construct an equilateral triangle by compass? A. One side, B. One angle, C. Two side, D. One angle and one side. The correct answer is one side. The angle bisector bisects the angle exactly. A. Perpendicular, B. 60 degree, C. Half, D. Any ratio. The correct answer is half. What is the below instrument called? A. Set square, B. straightedge, C. T-square, D. Opacimeter. The correct answer is T-square.